Excel offers some quick, built-in tools for consolidating data. A second consolidation tip that we'll share has to do with combining data from multiple worksheets. In this example, I have 3 separate worksheets that contain information on the number of webinars held in each region so far this year. I want to combine them into a single report. For Consolidate to work, the row headings need to be of the same type, but not the same values. So it will work in this scenario because column A for each sheet is region, and row 1 is months, even though not the same months. To consolidate, add a new worksheet and select cell A1. Choose Data and Consolidate. Use the icon at the end of the reference box to collapse the dialog and select the data to consolidate. Add and repeat for each of the worksheets. Ensure the top row and left column boxes are checked, and then click OK. This sheet now contains all regions and the number of webinars held per month. I can further manipulate the data from here. Remember that this is a static consolidation, and updating the values in the separate sheets will not update the values on the consolidated report.